Picture a factory floor in 1913. Tools clang, belts hum, and a line of unfinished cars creeps forward like a steel river. A century ago, building a car took more than a day. Then one idea cut it to minutes. Not a faster worker, a faster system. The moving assembly line changed the pace of work, the price of cars, and the shape of cities. At the heart of it stood a farmer's son from Michigan who believed ordinary people should afford extraordinary machines. This is the story of Henry Ford and how one relentless focus turned motion into mass production. Henry Ford didn't invent the automobile. He reinvented how to make it. He turned a luxury toy into a tool for living, working, and dreaming farther than a horse could run. His method was simple to describe and hard to copy. Break the job down, standardize every step, and keep the product moving. Body. As a boy on a farm, Henry wasn't in love with fields. He was in love with mechanisms. In Detroit, he worked as an engineer by day and built engines by night. His first car, the quadricycle, rattled down the street on bicycle wheels. His first company failed, so did the second. But each setback taught him the same lesson. Complexity is expensive. Standard parts and simpler designs were the way to scale. In 1903, he founded Ford Motor Company. 5 years later, the Model T arrived. It wasn't fancy, but it was durable, repairable, and priced for workers, not just the wealthy. The real revolution came in 1913 at Highland Park. Ford's team studied how meat packers disassembled animals along a line and reversed it. Instead of one craftsman building a whole car, each worker would master a single task as the chassis rolled past. Bottlenecks were measured, movements were shaved, tools were placed within easy reach. The time to build a Model T fell from more than 12 hours to about 93 minutes. Prices dropped from hundreds of dollars to a few hundred more people could afford. For years, they even chose one paint color, black, because it dried faster and kept the line moving. But faster work demanded a new social contract. In 1914, Ford shocked industry by paying a minimum of $5 a day. Turnover plummeted, productivity surged, and a new idea took hold. The worker could also be the customer. Better wages didn't just fill assembly lines, they filled roads. Families that built cars could finally buy them. That wasn't charity, it was systems thinking applied to society. When more people can participate, the whole market expands. Ford scaled control along with speed. He embraced vertical integration, bringing raw materials and parts closer to his plants. Quality checks were built into every station. If a step failed, the line stopped and the fix was documented. Ford wrote detailed procedures so any trained worker could achieve the same outcome. It was a philosophy. Consistency beats brilliance when you need millions of identical results. By the 1920s, more than 15 million Model Ts rolled out, and the car became as common as a front door. Success, however, breeds new problems. For too long, Ford clung to the old formula while rivals adapted. General Motors introduced colors, yearly models, and easy financing. The world wanted choice. Ford eventually responded with the Model A fresh start. The lesson endures: standardize the core, but listen to customers as tastes evolve. Keep the line moving, but update what runs down it. Even giants must pivot when the market shifts. The playbook feels familiar today. Build a system, remove waste, pay for talent, and scale what works. It's the same spirit you see in modern logistics and e-commerce, proof that operational excellence compounds. As another builder's story shows, in growth rewards those who obsess over processes, not just products. Ford's genius wasn't a single invention. It was the discipline to turn a good idea into a repeatable reality again and again. Henry Ford made cars affordable, but his true invention was speed you could trust. He showed that when you streamline steps, respect workers, and protect standards, you don't just make more things, you make more opportunity. If this story gave you a blueprint for your own build, hit like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more founder lessons that turn vision into velocity, built from belief.